Okay, now we finally get to talk about dependency injection. What took so long? So dependency injection, think of it this way. Let's say we have our logging and we want to log. Who cares where we want to log? Whether it's a file, whether it's a database, what format, that doesn't matter. Our classes that implement that use the logger don't really care where it's stored. They just want to know that, oh, when this happens, I log stuff. If it doesn't happen, I don't log stuff. So logging is a good example. If we're using Log4net or if we're rolling our own, all we care about is the interface the logging implements. So that allows for separation of concerns. It allows us to swap out our logger easily. It allows us to not care about the logging except in the code that actually does the logging. It helps us create testable applications. So in our previous unit tests, when we had our math service instantiated by the controller, we had no control over if the math service was being called or not. We don't want it to be called, so we want to control that ourselves. That's why we have dependency injection. One thing dependency injection does not do is it does not save you from yourself. You can still write garbage code. Anyone can do that. It's hard not to unless you work at it. So dependency injection is one way in which we can avoid those problems by allowing the separation of concerns, and it helps us test things at the unit level, not system level, top down, like an integration test. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to implement dependency injection. By using a third-party container. We're not going to write our own container, but we're going to see how that works, and we're going to see how that plays with our unit tests. So let's get back into Visual Studio and let's write some more code.